السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Hello everyone, my name is Teacher Amani. What time is it? It is story time. Betty's class is located between the biggest branches of the tree. Tweet, 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 tweet. All the birds chirp, and this means, "Hello, Betty, we are your new friends." Then all the young birds sing a song together. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Story questions. Are you ready? Let's go. Where is Betty's class located? Between the biggest branches of the tree. Excellent. What do the birds do? They chirp, tweet, tweet. Thank you for listening. Goodbye and see you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum.